my Toby channel. My name is Denim. Actually, that's my biological name. My African name is Ayobumi. That means the joy gift. And I'm 7 years old, and I'm about to be 8 in November. And I like to go to vacation, go swimming, do hair just like my mom, do cheer just like my sister, and eat. And I like to hang out with my family, like to play with my sisters, like to play with my brothers, like to play outside, have birthdays and all of that, and look cute. But mostly that's important is to focus on school and focus on work. If I am new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe and turn on the notifications. Bye!
And we back outside. You said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside. In case you forgot how we act outside.